Several factors might explain why rigid conduit seems harder to bend these days. Firstly, material changes could be the reason. Some manufacturers might have altered the steel composition used in rigid conduit production, increasing its rigidity. The addition of alloying elements like manganese or silicon can increase the strength and hardness of the steel. Secondly, adjustments in the production process could contribute to the problem. Modifications, like changes in cold forming techniques, can affect the material's properties. Insufficient annealing or tempering can result in a harder conduit. Thirdly, quality control variations may be at play. Variations in raw materials or production processes can lead to inconsistencies in the conduit's mechanical properties. Certain batches or supplies might produce conduit that is harder than expected. Fourthly, industry standards might have changed. Changes in industry standards or specifications may have resulted in stricter minimum strength requirements for rigid conduit. This could lead manufacturers to produce harder conduit to meet these new standards. Fifthly, there could be an increased demand for heavy-duty conduit. The growing popularity of industrial applications and heavy-duty electrical systems may have driven demand for more robust and rigid conduit. Manufacturers might have adjusted their production processes to cater to this demand. This increased rigidity presents several challenges. It makes manually bending conduit more difficult, often requiring heavier tools or hydraulic benders. A properly bent conduit can create weak points, increasing the risk of electrical accidents. The harder conduit also takes longer to bend, leading to increased labor costs and project delays. Here are some recommendations for electricians to address this issue. 1. Use high-quality conduit benders suitable for the size and thickness of the conduit. 2. Ensure proper annealing or tempering of the conduit before bending. 3. Lubricate the conduit with a suitable lubricant to reduce friction. 4. If necessary, consider using a hydraulic bender for larger sizes or particularly difficult bends. 5. Communicate with suppliers and manufacturers to identify conduit with suitable mechanical properties for the application. Understanding these potential causes and adopting appropriate techniques can help electricians overcome the challenges of bending more rigid conduit, ensuring safe and efficient installations.